What is going on, guys? So today I wanted to show you this smart lock by SMONET. Now this is a pretty slick deadbolt smart locking system. It's key-free, app-controlled, anti-theft alert, auto-locking. It's got battery backup and a touchscreen keypad. This is a really cool addition if you've got a smart home, if you're into this whole kind of technology area. This is a really good one. Now I have a back door that we often leave a key out for somebody, you know, when we're on vacation and things like that. This allows me to basically assign them a code and allow them to access the door and change that on the fly whenever I'd like, which is pretty cool. You can unlock via the app, remotely control the door with voice control through your smart, your smart assistants, which is pretty cool. Unlock the keypad, you get the unlock manually. It's got a lot of great functionality. This one I have here is the black. So let's open it up and take a look at what you get in the package. So you guys can get an idea of what you're gonna be dealing with when you get this here. Let's see, so we got the instruction manuals, which are gonna be critical, right? You definitely wanna take a look at these when you're going and getting this thing all set up. But here is your gateway unit. This is what is going to allow this to connect to your smart home. Okay, so you're definitely gonna need to install that, which is basically very straightforward. Now here is the actual locking unit. So here's the deadbolt unit with the battery backup, okay? This is going to be that there. Then you have the actual keypads. This is gonna be on the inside of the door. This is gonna be on the outside of the door. So you have removed the protective film before using, so yeah, obviously you can take that off there. But this is your keypad right here, and there's the whole mechanism. It's all right there, everything that you need. Here's your deadbolt that goes into your door frame. It's got all the different adapters that you need. It's got keys as well, so this is gonna allow you to override. So if the battery dies, or if it locks down, you do have the backup key option, but everything that you need comes in there. It even comes with a screwdriver, which is super cool. Again, having the app, being able to unlock it, set codes. You can do, what does it say? Smart locks for the front door, intuitive touchscreen, does display. It's got an alloy body, long battery life. The AA batteries on here will last up to 5,000 openings. So approximately 6 months, depending on how often you use the door. The door that we're gonna put it on, not gonna use it as often. It's probably gonna last even longer, which is pretty darn cool. So if you guys are looking for a great new addition to your smart home, and you want to have kind of smart lock system going on, definitely consider checking this one out from SMONET. But guys, as usual, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.